Good morning friends. Yesterday we are solving the solution related to the graphical method of pair of linear equation in two variables. This chapter is a common for the 9th and 10th because in the 9th standard this chapter is linear equation in two variable. Here is the only change pair of. In the 9th standard this is the linear equation in two variables, and here in the 10th standard there is a pair of linear equation in two variables. And you also studies that in 9th standard there is only one method, graphical method, but here is the four method. First method of the solution of pair of a linear equation is a graphical method. Yesterday we have solved the problems related to the graphical method. Today we are talking about the substitution method, and next day this is the elimination method and cross multiplication method. So if the students of 9th and 10th, both standard students are seeing this chapter, so it is a better for the both standard. So we are talking about the substitution method. What is the substitution method? In the case of the substitution method, you find the substitute. Substitute means there are the two variables, so you convert one variable in the form of another variable. This is called as the substitute. Here are the some equations are given, so I solve these equations by using the substitution method. First question is that here x plus y, it is equal to 14. Say it is equation number first. And second equation is x minus y, it is equal to 4. I say this is the second equation. From the first equation you find the substitute of the x either y. Here you see that x plus y, this is equal to 14. So you write down that x is equal to 14 minus y. Here the value of x, this is equal to 14 minus y. Because the substitute of the x, this is equal to 14 minus y, so it is called as the substitution method. I put up this value in the equation number second. From equation second is that x minus y, this is equal to 4. Here I put up the value of x. The value of x, this is equal to 14 minus y, so I put up 14 minus y, and minus y, this is equal to 4. Next 14, here is a minus y, this is a minus 2y is equal to 4 minus 14, and therefore minus 2y, it is equal to 4 minus 14, so it is equal to minus 10. Minus is cancelled by minus, 2 5s are 10, so the value of y, this is equal to 5. This value I put up in the equation for the value of y is equal to 5. Then here x is equal to 14 minus y, so x is equal to 14 minus 5. So x is equal to 9. So answer is 9 and 5. So you find, apply the substitution method, you solve the equations. I next repeat it, that you take the substitute either x and y. Here I take the substitute of the x is equal to 14 minus y and put up in another equation. In the second question number 6, it is given that here 3x by 2 and minus 5 y by 2, and it is equal to minus 2. It is equation number first. Then x by 3 plus y by 2, it is equal to 13 by 6. This is the equation number second. You take the substitute. First I solve the equation number first by the equation first. Here is a 3x by 2 minus 5y by 2, it is equal to minus 2. Therefore 3x by 2, it is equal to minus 2 plus 5y by 2. Then you take the LCM, 3x, it is equal to 2 to the 4, so minus 4 plus 5y divided by 2, and here is also 3x by 2. So 2 is cancelled by 2 because both are the denominator. So the value of x, this is equal to minus 4 plus 5y and divide by 3. Say it is equation number 3rd. I put up the value of x of equation number 3rd into the equation number 2. So from equation 2, for the equation 2, x by 3 plus y by 2, it is equal to 13 by 6. Here I put up the values of x. So the value of x is equal to minus 4 plus 5y by 3 and by 3, because the value of x, this is equal to minus 4 plus 5y by 3 upon 3 plus y by 2 plus y by 2, it is equal to 13 by 6. First I solve it. This is the minus 4 plus 5y, 3 3s are 9 plus y by 2, it is equal to 13 by 6. I take the LCM. LCM of 2 and 9, it is a 18. So 2 4s are minus 8, 2 5s are 10. So plus 10y plus 9y, it means 9 into y, 9y. This is equal to 13 by 6. So you cancel denominator, 6 3s are 18. So it is a 3. Here minus 8 plus 10 plus 9, it is a 19y, it is equal to 13, this multiply by 3. So 19y is equal to 13 3s are 39 plus 8. So 19y is equal to 9 plus 8 17. So it is a 47. So y is equal to 47 upon 19. This is the value of y. I put up this value of the y in equation number 3rd. So from equation 3rd, that x is equal to minus 4 plus 5y, the value of y, this is a 47 upon 19 and divide by 3. So x is equal to 19 4s are 76, minus 76 plus 5 7s are 35, 3 carry, 5 4s are 20, it means 23 and divide by 19 into 3. So x is equal to here 5 minus 6, it means 15 minus 6, so it is equal to 9. There this is a 2, it is 12, 12 minus 7, so 12 minus 7, it is equal to 5. So here is a 1, so 159, 19 3s are 57. So the value of x, it is equal to 159 upon 57. So using the substitution method, you find the substitute of x in the form of y, you can solve the equations. Okay, I think all of you understand. Next, some word problems are given for the solution by the method of substitution. So I solve 1-2 questions related to the word problem. So all of you see. First question is that the difference between two numbers is 26. Third of first. The difference between two numbers is a 26 and one number is 3 times the other number, find them. So let the one number is x other number is y according to the first condition. Here first condition is given. In the first condition that the difference between two number is a 26. It means one number is a x minus y. This is equal to 26. So it is equation number first. Second condition, that one number is a 3 times the other number. One number is 3 times. It means in the second condition, one number is a 3 times, so x is equal to 3y. This is the equation number second. Here you see that the value of x is convert into the substitute of the y. So x is equal to 3y from equation number first. X minus y, it is equal to 26. So x means 3y minus y is equal to 26. Therefore 2y is equal to 26. 2 13 is 26. So y is equal to 30. Here you see that the value of y, this is equal to 13. Then from equation number second, it is given that x is equal to 3y. Here you put up the value of y. So y is equal to x is equal to 3 into y. The value of y, this is the 13. So x is equal to 13 3s are 39. So after using the substitution method, you solve this question in very easy way. Another questions are also given. So I solve another one question.